Excuse me, where is Times Square?
I can take you there.
This doesn't look like Times Square. Where are we going?
Do you trust me?
I don't know.
Wow! New York City! I'm finally here! Ah.
First time in New York?
Yes! It's my dream city.
Welcome to New York.
Thank you.
The view is amazing. I don't want to stay in my room. I want to explore.
Oh my gosh! Oh, there are so many people! I need pictures. One picture here. Another one here. And one more.
Hot dogs. Fresh hot dogs.
Can I have one?
Of course.
Thank you. This is the best day ever.
Where is Times Square again?
Wait. Where am I? I don't know this street. Did I walk this far?
Excuse me, where is Times Square?
It's far from here.
Oh.
I can take you there.
Really?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much.
There aren't many people here.
It's a shortcut.
Why are we walking so fast?
Because we're almost there.
This doesn't look like Times Square. Where are we going?
Do you trust me?
I don't know. Oh no.
What happened?
My phone battery is only 2%.
You should call someone.
My dad.
Aria? Are you okay?
Dad.
I think I'm lost.
What?
Where are you?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Tep.
I'm with a man. A man?
Touch here.
He said he's helping me.
Put him on the phone.
Hello, sir.
Who are you?
My name is Daniel. Your daughter seems lost.
Where are you two? Hello, sir. I think we're in Brooklyn. Brooklyn?
I'm scared.
Listen to me. Stay with him. Don't go anywhere alone.
Dad, my battery is dying.
Aria, listen.
Dad? Dad?
Dad? My phone is dead. My dad is gonna be so worried. I don't even know where I am.
Look at me. You're not alone.
What if I never find my hotel?
You will.
What if my dad thinks something happened to me?
We'll call him soon.
How?
I have a charger.
You do?
Come with me
Where?
to my cafe.
Your cafe?
It's right around the corner.
You own a cafe?
Yes.
I thought you were.
A bad guy?
Maybe a little.
Fair enough.
Thank you.
Dad, I'm okay.
I was so worried.
I'm sorry.
Where are you?
In a cafe.
With the man?
Yes.
Put him on the phone.
Hello again.
Listen, Markin.
Thank you for helping my daughter. No problem.
I'm sorry, I didn't trust you.
That's okay.
Why did you help me?
Because when I first came to New York, I got lost too.
Really?
And someone helped me. So,
You wanted to help someone else.
exactly.
New York is scary.
Sometimes. But it's also kind.
Exactly. I thought I trusted the wrong person today.
But
But I was wrong. You were exactly the right person.
welcome to New York, Aria.
I think this city just gave me my first adventure. Sometimes getting lost helps you find good people.
Did you enjoy this story? Tell me in the comments. What was the stranger's name? If you know the answer, write it below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more slow English stories.